How to download and install Fortnite on PC or laptop. For this, you need to open up the official website of Epic Game Launcher. Go to the official website, click sign in the top right corner. Click it. Sign up with email or another available sign in method. If you already have the account means you can sign up. If you're not having the account means you need to click create an account. First you need to create an account, follow the instruction. After creating an account, you can sign up. Once signing after, you need to click the download option in the top right corner. It's downloading right now. Wait for a couple of seconds to download completely. Once the download is complete after, you need to click the setup Epic installer. Click it and install it. I already installed it. After installation is complete after, you need to open up the Epic Game Launcher. Search for Fortnite and download it. I already download the Fortnite. Click download option. Once download complete after, you need to click launch. This is how to download and install Fortnite on PC or laptop. Thank you.